Okay.
Alright, here we have an SC18 EC2. And this applies to pretty much any Alliance machine if you're having door lock problems. This one tells you specifically you have a door lock error. The machine won't start. The older mechanical machines won't tell you why it won't start. You'll just try to start it and nothing happens. But usually if the door lock won't engage, down here you've got two switches. The bottom switch here tells you that the door is shut. It works off of this lever right here. And then this switch up here tells you when the lock is engaged. This solenoid will kick this bar out, which locks the door, and when that top switch releases, it lets the computer know that the lock is engaged. So if you're getting a door lock error and you just want to test the machine, see what else is going on, the simplest way to override all of this is to just manually force the solenoid to engage. Just kick it right into the lock, and then the machine will generally start, even with a door lock error. And then on the older machines with mechanical timers, they use this board to control the door lock. If your door lock does not engage, 9 times out of 10, this is your problem right here. RT2, it burns out and drops right out, and the lock won't engage. But once you've forced it to engage, you can finish diagnosing and repairing the rest of the machine. And the most common problems when these won't engage is the switches themselves. It either doesn't know that the door is shut, or it doesn't know that the solenoid is engaged. So a definite one, if you force this over and the machine still doesn't start, most likely your switch up here is bad and it's not telling it that this is shut. If you have a voltmeter, it's real easy to check continuity across this switch and this switch. I would check it with ohms instead of just a beep continuity, because you can get continuity but still have enough resistance across the switch where it won't read back to the computer. So if you're getting more than 1-2 ohms of resistance across this, replace the switch. But that's just a simple way to force the door lock and keep testing.